Now I think there is sandstorm. That's a little bit blurred because it's windy now. Look at that. Now it's windy. Maybe there is sandstorm, but not too strong. If I ever fall in love again. Look at the birds. In the Philippines, they will catch already that one. But here in Saudi, the birds not allowed to catch it. Even the pigeon is freely. The pigeon here is we don't have the owner. Unlike in Philippines, the pigeon, there's the owner, but here no. Everybody can feed the pigeon, but not allowed to catch it. And on the streets there is garbage bin like that. So there is garbage bin here and here. Some company they pay also for the garbage bin. Then you're not allowing to put the garbage on the street. You should put in the garbage bin. Some people they throw the garbage also, but I don't know if they catch them. What is the fine? How much they pay for littering? I don't know. Look, there is garbage also here, but garbage here is minimal. And look at the birds. The birds here. In Philippines they call batu-batu that one. Some people they call korkotok. Look, he's scared. But there also there is garbage bin. Lots of garbage bin. Okay, bye. Only that one. For today's video, only this stuff. Boom.